In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo transaction not authorized. So if you actually had an unauthorized charge on your account, what you can do is you can head over right here on your Venmo. So you're actually needed to be concerned about the security of your account. If you have those unauthorized activities such as transactions, transfer, and account changes. So for this case, head over to the Me tab, click on Settings, click on Get Help, click on Chat with Us, and then on your Venmo app, ask for the agent. Once you do, you just need to actually connect with support, and from in there, open a dispute about the unauthorized charge, and also make sure to actually change your account information such as your password, and also lock the cards that you have associated on your Venmo right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything.